Hi students! In this video we will do two things. We will read a story together with our sight words in it, and then we will do a friendship lesson that has a little experiment. All right, here we go. All right students, before we begin reading our big book together, let's review the sight word we are learning. What's that? That's right. No matter how you say it, the or the, it's always spelled T-H-E. Now let's read some sentences. I can share the marbles. Wow, let's look at this picture more closely. Look, they are sharing like good friends. Now let's read the next one. We play in the sand. Let's look closely at that. Wow, that looks fun. Okay, so you'll see the word the very often in all kinds of books you read, so let's practice. Read the words out loud with me. I can. And what do you think this boy feels? Yeah, you might have said happy. I think he feels proud because he can. Okay, another thing you're going to notice is above the words are picture clues. That's because these words I haven't taught you yet, so if you can't read them, look at the picture clues. All right, ready? Bring you closer. I can see the knit. Wow. I can see the mop. Wow. I can see the, that's right, it says drum. I can see the drum. I can see the marbles. Oh, wow. Should we count how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow. I can see the broom. The end. Hi students. What did I draw up here? What's that called? That's right. You might have said it's a boat or a ship. Well, it's definitely a ship, but it's not just any ship. It's the friendship. That's right, this is called the friendship. And this week we are talking about making new friends. And making new friends is easy when you know what it means to be a good friend. So we are going to do an activity. On each of these sails, I am going to draw a trait or something that makes you a good friend. Your job is to guess what it is. So let's try it. All right, I'm all done. Look at this picture. Can you guess what's happening? What is that boy doing? You got it. Kind words. He's speaking, and I drew a heart because he's saying only kind words. That is one of the most important parts of friendship. All right, let's see if you can guess the next trait. right, what do you think is happening in this picture? Say it out loud. Yeah, you might have said that they're playing together, they're playing trains, but if you look at their hands, it looks like they are, that's right, they are sharing. That is a very important part of friendship. Sharing. All right, here goes the next one. All right, I drew a picture of an ear. So what do you think this trait is? Go ahead and say it out loud. That's right. Someone who is a good listener. Someone who lets you have your turn speaking and they listen to you and remember things about you. That is a sign of someone who cares. All right, here's the next one. All right, look closely at the picture. What do you think is happening? You might notice that the girl is crying. She's got an ouchie on her knee. Someone is extending their arm. The answer is caring. Someone who wants you to be happy and healthy and well. All right, this next one is a tough one to guess. I'll show you. All right, there is the picture. It looks like when someone's doing this, okay? And here in the United States, that means, what do you think that means? That means when you promise something. So this trait is honesty. Honesty is when you tell the truth and you don't cheat and lie. That's the kind of friend you want, someone who is honest. Okay, one more. Here we go. All right, in this picture you can see one arm with a broom and a different arm with a dustpan, and it looks like they're doing what? Yeah, they're cleaning. Are they doing it together? Yes, teamwork. So this friendship trait is called helpful. You want someone who is helpful. They'll help you clean up your toys. They'll help you finish a project. They'll help you with all kinds of stuff. And there you have it, kids. Friendship requires kind words, sharing, good listener, caring, honesty, and helpful. Without those things, this ship wouldn't go anywhere. In fact, it might sink. So kids, I actually made a friendship. Check it out. I made it out of popsicle sticks and pipe cleaner and paper. And on the paper, it says all of those traits that we just talked about. Kind words, helpful, honesty, good listener, caring, sharing. But I'm going to show you what happens when you don't act like a good friend. I'm going to show you what happens to the ship. All right, students, so let's mix science with language arts. I filled up a bucket of water, and I've got my friendship, and I have a piece of foam. Okay, you can use like a pool noodle or styrofoam that comes in like a package. So put this in there, put my friendship there, and what do you know? It floats. Look, all of those traits we talked about are good for the boat. If you be a good friend, it's smooth sailing, even if the waves are rocky. But some things can definitely ruin a friendship, like not sharing. Ooh, one of the corners is going down. Another thing that is hurtful is teasing. It's not nice to make fun of others, especially your friends. Ooh, we're getting more water. We're springing a leak. Telling lies, that's bad for a friendship. Oh no. And finally, having a mean body, being rough and aggressive and hurting someone. I think this is gonna make it sink. No! So as you can see, heavy things like being mean and hurtful, those sink. But light things like smiles and sharing, those things float. If you would like to make a friendship like mine at home, you'll need scissors and glue, maybe even hot glue, which requires a grown-up, a piece of paper for your sail, a marker to write or draw nice friendship things, a pipe cleaner to make your sail stick up, popsicle sticks for the base of the ship, and some kind of foam for your ship to float on top of. Foam is light and it won't absorb water. Students, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you decide to make a friendship science experiment at home, send me a picture.